ELI language games. Play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on grammar revision and practice. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: Dominoes, Bingos, card games, board games. Bingo category: Verb Bingo, A1 level. The game is great for learning and revising basic vocabulary. The box contains a pack of 66 double-sided verb cards with an illustrated action on one side, the corresponding written verb on the other. 36 double-sided bingo boards, 6 illustrated actions on one side, the corresponding written verbs on the other. Verb Bingo is based on the traditional bingo and can be played in 4 different basic ways to match pictures and written verbs on cards and boards. Let's see, for instance, how an action picture game works. Players are given 1 board each. Verb cards are shuffled. The picture side of the bingo boards in front of the players is up. The teacher picks up a card and reads aloud the written verb, showing it to the class. To cry. Players who have the corresponding illustrated action on the boards can cover it with a token. To phone, to sing, etc., etc. The winner is the player who covers all the actions on his or her board first. The game instructions are very simple and are freely available to download from our website too. The teacher's booklet contains other game suggestions like groups, mystery action, storytelling, miming a story, and the complete list of verbs in the game. ELI language games. The more you play, the more you learn.